The father and son team of Hilary and Miguel Morgan are OECS Clean Ocean champions. They responded to the problem of plastic pollution in St. Lucia by diversifying their waste collection company to include the collection and separation of plastic.
The work of biohelps really is to see a more cleaner environment. For instance, St. Lucia has been clogged even in the ocean. Everywhere you pass, you see plastic all over. So it had been a burden on me to see these things happening. So I decided, okay, let me actually go into Replast and collect plastics and to maybe ship it over so that we will not have that problem in St. Lucia.
Through our involvement in waste management, we saw the need to go into recycling. And we first started off with cardboard and paper, and now through the Replast project, we now went into bottles, which is primarily our main collection and export of materials.
When the Replast OECS pilot plastic recycling project came to St. Lucia to help to create a plastic recycling supply chain from collection of plastic to export, BioHelps Limited was already positioned to partner.
Replast, they came to us at our warehouse. She came to us and she asked us if we are willing to be a part with Replast because I think they want to do a shipment. So I already had some bales which was available. So we actually merged with Flood down Beaufort, and then we sent a container out. And then now what they actually does was to start collecting the plastic bottles, and in the north all plastic now came to BioHelps.
BioHelps is now an important player in initiatives which are helping to create a plastic circular economy in the OECS.
Currently, I'm very proud of our company BioHelps Limited in its involvement in the recycling sector in St. Lucia. I'm also very much proud of our people taking in the little that was taught and brought to them. I think we have grown as a people in that matter. But I would really love to see a higher injection in government, in the different private sectors to really come on board with this, to really bring this to the next level.
I would like to tell people in general is that the plastic bottles are recyclable. Actually, they actually make t-shirts out of it, polo shirts, so many different things. There's value in recycling. It's a must for people to be able to collect their plastic separately so that can be recycled.
Plastic waste has economic value. That is one solid reason for the OECS to tackle pollution from turf to surf.